Hey everyone, how you doing today? Going to show you a cheap, easy way that I kill grass or weeds. Could kill your flowers, so you got to be careful where you put it. And it's also not going to hurt your pet, your cat, or maybe you got an alligator. So the three things you'll need is a gallon of pure white vinegar, some regular table salt. I use a full cup, as you can tell, and some dishwash soap. So you'll get a pump sprayer, which I'll show you up in the garage, and you will dump the salt in first usually, dump the vinegar on the top of it, a full 4 liter, and then quite a bit of the soap. Um, you can use that. It's not going to bother it. All the soap does is just makes it so it clings to the plants, gives it to stick to the grass and stuff. You also want to do this on a day like today. It's about 30 to 35 degrees. The sun's out. No rain for a couple days. The plants will be dry. So as soon as you pour it on, it will suck it right up. So I'm going to take this up and I will show you how to mix it. We'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, so you can buy one of these sprayers. I got mine at Canadian Tire. It was on sale for like 20 bucks. Princess Auto, Home Hardware, wherever you like to shop, they have that kind of stuff. So to dump it, you just take your top off, which I've already done. You get your full cup of salt and you try to dump that right in. Then you come over and you get your vinegar ready. It's really hot here today. Everybody likes the heat. I'm not a real heat fan, but and you dump that right in. Should be dumping it from the side, but I'm trying to video this with my phone. There. Now we're getting her. We're dumping her straight in. Had a little bit of cleaning stuff left in that. That won't hurt it. We're trying to kill the flowers. Don't tell my wife that. No, I'm just joking. Only the grass. Alrighty. So that was the vinegar. Now comes the dish soap, which, as you can tell, I'm not scared to put dish soap in. It's pretty cheap. I think you can buy vinegar at your local dollar stores, probably $3 or $4 a gallon. The table salt is cheap too. You can buy that there. No big cost to that. So then, some people will set this overnight in a pail, and they say that that gives the best results. I'm an impatient person, as you can tell. So she's a full deal. Kind of give her a good shaky. And lock your handle. Yeah, let's go outside. I wish I could have one of them fancy. There's my dog. This will save his feet. And as you can tell, I got a lot of grass growing where I don't want it to. It's almost impossible to stop. So we're just gonna give her a pretty good coat. Pumped up here. There we go. You're a good soaking. I'm going to do most of these in around the garage, and then I'll show you a video tomorrow on how well it works. Anyway, this is part one. We're going to do all through there, around the garage. So we'll reference the garbage can, how much grass is right there. So anyway, tomorrow we'll try another thing, and hopefully this cheap fix works. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.